Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Inshira Aisyah binti Cik Ismail. I'm going to present about effect of different booster on growth performance of Dendrobium bigibbum. My supervisor name is Puan Akmal Adilah binti Idris. For the research background, Dendrobium are famous cut flower. Dendrobium were propagated by plant division. Fertilizer given to the planting medium is ordinarily as fruit spray. In this experiment, organic fertilizer like fermented fruit juice and fermented plant juice were used as booster for the Dendrobium bigibbum growth. For the problem statement, many farmers have started to use organic-based farming material. Sometimes this material were high in price, hard to find, and so on. Thus, we came up with innovation of fermented fruit juice and fermented plant juice that act as organic foliar spray and enhance the growth performance of Dendrobium bigibbum orchid. In null hypothesis, there is no significant effectiveness of using different organic booster on growth performance of Dendrobium bigibbum. Alternate hypothesis, there is significant of effectiveness of using different organic booster on growth performance of Dendrobium bigibbum. For significance of the study, organic booster that was utilized in this investigation are natural, modest, and easily discovered. Fermented plant juice contain chlorophyll extract that could improve plant development and the advancement of photosynthesis. Hand-fermented fruit juice work to promote orchid growth and advancement of orchid flower as fruit juice are rich in potassium and phosphorus. Objective of the study is to study the effect of different organic booster toward growth performance of Dendrobium bigibbum. Second is to identify the best organic booster for Dendrobium bigibbum. For the literature review, orchid broadly distributed around the world and considered as biggest blossoming plant. Coconut husk chip utilized as mulching agent. The chips are appropriate for the plant. Organic fertilizer contain balanced amount of crude nitrogen and subsequently function as lethargic delivery fertilizer. In this experiment, there are several materials needed, which are 45 samples of Dendrobium bigibbum, fermented fruit juice and fermented plant juice, charcoal, coconut husk chip, pot, flower scissors, and fertilizer. For the experimental design, research was conducted at the Tissue Culture Nursery, University Malaysia, Kelantan. 50 samples of Dendrobium orchid were sprayed with fermented fruit juice, 50 samples were sprayed with FTJ, and another 50 samples sprayed with water. The organic booster was sprayed once per week for 8 weeks. The parameters measured were number of leaves per plant, plant height, diameter of stem, leaf length, and width of leaf. The experimental design used in this study was completely randomized design without any blocking. For the methodology, first is preparation of FPJ and FFJ. Prepare 1 kg of green spinach, 1 kg of water spinach, and 1 kg of mustard, added with 1 kg of molasses and mix them completely. Save it in a dull and concise brief for 7 days. Then, this step repeated for prepare FFJ by use 1 kg banana, 1 kg papaya, and pumpkin. Second is preparation and planting. Bench area was cleaned first for other things and plants. Total of 45 samples of Dendrobium bigibbum were ready in condition to be planted. The next step is to plant the orchid in the plastic pot with growing media. Third is preparing and applying FPJ and FFJ. Dilute FPJ with water usually at a ratio 20 ml for every 500 ml of water. Apply FPJ once each week in the morning. Then the step above were repeated to prepare and apply FFJ booster. Fourth is management of Dendrobium bigibbum. Dendrobium orchid were watered twice per week. Then the orchid was sprayed with organic booster once per week. Lastly is data analysis. Data that are collected once in a week for the 8 weeks. The data were analyzed using statistical package for social science SPSS and using one-way ANOVA and TECI test to find the difference between each treatment. For the result and discussion, post-hoc comparison utilizing the TECI test showed that the mean score for Dendrobium bigibbum applied with treatment 2, mean equal to 28.502, significant error equal to 0.252, mean score for treatment 1 is 27.240, significant error equal to 0.291. Then for the control is mean equal to 26.196, significant error equal to 0.212. All the mean level for the plant height was significant at 0.05 level. When compared to FFJ, fermented plant juice produced significantly taller Dendrobium. These findings supported Tagoton 2020 findings that applying fermented plant juice to vegetable crop promote good plant growth and vitality. Second is leaf length. The best outcome goes to T2 treatment for the leaf length development than other treatment. The T2 treatment recorded highest leaf length at 13.396 cm, followed by T1 treatment with 12.699 cm. The T0 treatment recorded lowest reading of leaf length at 11.626 cm. Post-hoc examination utilizing the Turkey test demonstrated that the mean score for Dendrobium bigibbum applied with treatment to mean equal to 13.396, significant error equal to 0.175, show higher value compared to T1 treatment, mean equal to 12.699, significant error equal to 0.128. And Dendrobium bigibbum applied with control treatment just mean equal to 11.626, significant error equal to 0.170. Better leaf length performance is likely due to the higher outside content of the shoot plant, which may be useful in triggering the generation and differentiation of shoot cells. The plant material used in FPG assists plant in obtaining the necessary and making it suitable for use during vegetative growth. Third is leaf width. The orchids that were applied with fermented plant juice show widest leaves, which are 3.753 cm. Then at that point, treat by plant treated with treatment 1. For the leaf width that unapplied, the organic booster showed the bottom increase in leaf width. Post-hoc correlation utilizing the Turkey test demonstrated that the mean score for Dendrobium bigibbum while applied with treatment 2 mean equal to 3.753, significant error equal to 0.059 was significantly different than T1, mean equal to 3.422, significant error equal to 0.058, and T0, mean equal to 3.285, and significant error equal to 0.050. According to the table 4.3, only orchid applied with FPJ have a significant effect. Meanwhile, the T1 and control did not show any significant result. FPJ applied in the morning had an effect on leaf width increment. Treatment of the plant were done in the morning, so this will give benefits to plant during photosynthesis process. Fourth is stem diameter. The after effect of the greater stem diameter observed in T2 fermented plant juice treated plant, followed by T1, whereas the smallest in stem diameter obtained in control plant. Post-hoc comparison utilizing the Turkey test showed that the mean score for stem diameter of Dendrobium bigibbum applied with treatment T2 mean equal to 3.773, significant error equal to 0.053 was significantly different than T1, mean equal to 3.573, significant error equal to 0.041, and Dendrobium bigibbum applied with control treatment just 3.341 and significant error equal to 0.039. As a result, the use of FPG promoted vegetative growth and increased stem diameter size. The potential of this plant leaf and sap provided viable sources of nutrient and organic matter for improved orchid plant growth and development. The last parameter is leaf number. The highest leaf count was observed in the T2 treatment, which is 4.104 cm. Then it followed by T1 and T0 show lower development in leaf count. The statistical analysis displayed there was no significant pattern of leaf count at the p less than 0.05 level for the 3 treatment. For the leaf number, plant treated with FPJ show highest value than other treatment. For conclusion and future recommendation, from the obtained result, it can be hypothesized that there is a significant effectiveness of different organic booster on growth performance of Dendrobium bigibbum. It can be concluded that fermented plant juice (FPJ) are the best organic booster for Dendrobium bigibbum. FPJ derived from the plant material has the potential to be used as a complementary fertilization technology in the development of organic agriculture. Further research is still needed to determine the appropriate concentration and doses of FPJ and FFG so that we can identify which concentration are suitable as organic booster for orchid. Further study can be conducted by changing the growing media as treatment too. This is the list of references. That's all from me. Thank you.